How to change Face ID on iPhone. So here is the fastest and simplest guide to change or reset Face ID on iPhone. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open the Settings app on your mobile device, and once inside the Settings app, all you have to do is simply scroll down and tap on the Face ID and passcode option available there. Then you will be asked your mobile passcode. Enter it. Then again scroll and you will get to see Reset Face ID option available there, and tap on the Reset Face ID. This removes your existing Face ID. Then follow the on-screen instructions to scan your new face and tap Done when the scan finishes. So my Reset Face ID is not available right now because of my security delay. It might take me an hour in order to reset this. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.